To disconnect the battery, you just want to flip the unit over and remove the screws from the bottom cover. Once all the screws are out, you can remove the bottom cover. And disconnect the battery from the motherboard. We disconnect the battery to prevent any shortages to the LCD or the motherboard. So once the battery is disconnected, you can just place the bottom cover back on to prevent any scratches or damages to the internal parts. And then flip the unit over and open it up. Then you can start the replacement by taking the bezel off. Once the bezel's off, you can remove these 4 screws holding the LCD in. And then remove the LCD and flip it over. Disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. And now you can grab your new LCD and flip it over and reconnect the LCD cable to the back of the LCD. Then you can put it back into place in the top cover and put the screws back in. And then you can put the bezel back on. You just want to flip the unit over. You can remove the bottom cover. Now you can reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. And put the bottom cover back on. And then you can put the screws back into the bottom cover. To verify that the replacement was successful, you can take your AC and plug the unit in, and then open the unit up. If the unit turns on, that means the replacement was successful. And if you want to double check to make sure that your battery is working properly, you can unplug the unit, and if it stays on, then that means the battery is working. So then you can shut the unit off.